So the question is, why is Joanna a great teacher for the Professional Agile Leadership class? And I think there's two aspects that I think really make it perfect for her. One is her absolute enthusiasm for the class. I've heard her say a number of times that this is her favorite class to teach. Right, and that sort of thing really comes across when you're engaging with people, because the questions are just so interesting. I love this class as well. The questions are just so interesting. The answers are really interesting. The type of people that come to the Agile Leadership class, it especially for Joanna and I as also consultants, right? It's the type of people that we're trying to talk to all the time inside of organizations. And because that leads to the second reason she's so awesome, because she's got a swathe of experience in engaging with organizations at various levels, trying to help them understand agile practices, agile, lean, all the flavors, right? She's very experienced in having those conversations with leadership, with managers, with people who are playing at that level. And those conversations are just so much fun, because convincing somebody in a leadership position to move towards agility, or that they get more value by pushing responsibility down, convincing one of those people helps lots of people. And that's, I think, where she gets a lot of her passion from in that class. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, follow, and subscribe. I always reply to comments, and if you want to have a chat about this or anything else Agile, Scrum, or DevOps, then please book a coffee with me through NKD Agility.